Our team coverage continues now as Dana Nessel was quick to respond to the decision. Our Josh Albertus has more on the disappointment in the ruling from her and her view of the case.
Congratulations. Cases dismissed. After roughly 2 years of litigation, the charges against who had been 15 alleged fake Republican electors from Michigan's 2020 election now dropped. Judge Kristen Simmons throwing out the cases brought by Democratic State Attorney General Dana Nessel's office, who called the decision disappointing.
This was, in my belief, a coordinated attempt to overturn the will of the American people and reinstate Donald Trump as president, despite Joe Biden's victory in the election to that office.
The attorney for one of the now ex-defendants heralding the judge's decision.
My client's thrilled. Hank Choate had never been in trouble in his life. He did not deserve to be put through this for the last 2 years.
The judge also waving off any suggestions that the court delayed the case as, quote, preposterous, given the nature of the case and number of defendants. Nessel saying her office has the option to appeal the judge's decision.
They knew they were not electors. They knew they were not inside the Capitol. They knew Donald Trump lost.
Some now putting their frustrations on Nessel, with this attorney claiming the prosecution was politically motivated.
This was a political persecution by the Attorney General's office against my client. And she proves it by her own press conference, spending so much time attacking Donald Trump and talking about things that are totally irrelevant to this case.
But Nessel pushing back against such claims.
To not have brought these charges in the face of these facts because it would have been controversial or met with political accusations would really actually be the most political thing a prosecutor could do.
And Josh is here in studio now. Josh, have we heard from any of the local defendants in this case?
Yeah, we did reach out to the attorney for Wyoming Mayor Kent Vanderwood as well. As of this afternoon, we had not yet heard back for comment.